Hello, I'm Knuckles. We will talk about famous basketball players. Here are the top 10 basketball players internationally. Number 1. Lebron James. He is an American professional basketball player for the Los Angeles Lakers of the National Basketball Association. He is widely considered one of the greatest NBA players in history. Number 2. Marc Gasol. He is a Spanish professional basketball player for the Los Angeles Lakers of the National Basketball Association. He was drafted 48th overall by the Los Angeles Lakers in the 2007 NBA Draft. Number 3. Abdellah Larichi. He is a Moroccan professional basketball player. He represented Morocco's national basketball team at the 2017 Afrobasket in Tunisia and Senegal. Number 4. Rui Hachimura. He is a Japanese professional basketball player for the Washington Wizards of the National Basketball Association. He played college basketball for the Gonzaga Bulldogs and is a member of the Japanese national team. Number 5. Satnam Singh. He is an Indian professional basketball player who last played for the St. John's Edge of the National Basketball League of Canada, NBL. He became the first Indian player to be drafted into the National Basketball Association, NBA, in 2015. Number 6. Jeongjin. He is a South Korean professional basketball player who has played in the NBA and the NBA D-League. He was a second-round draft pick of the Portland Trail Blazers in the 2004 NBA Draft. Number 7. Andrei Kirilenko. He is a Russian basketball executive and retired professional basketball player, currently the commissioner of the Russian Basketball Federation. He began playing professional basketball in the Russian Basketball Super League. Number 8. Andrew Bogut. He is an Australian former professional basketball player who spent the majority of his career playing in the National Basketball Association. He was selected by the Milwaukee Bucks with the first overall pick in the 2005 NBA Draft. Number 9. Ferkan Aldag. He is a Turkish professional basketball player who last played for Darüşşafaka of the Turkish Basketball Super League, BSL, and the EuroLeague. He mainly plays the power forward position, but he can also play as a center if needed. And finally, number 10. Dennis Schroder. He is a German professional basketball player for the Los Angeles Lakers of the National Basketball Association. He has previously played for SG Braunschweig and Phantoms Braunschweig in Germany, before spending his first 5 seasons in the NBA with the Atlanta Hawks and 2 years with the Oklahoma City Thunder. So, that's all I have. You can find out more than 10 basketball players through the web. Like, comment, and subscribe now.